thought you might be interested to see how these little faces are finished. These are going to Shades of Green Nursery, where they put little air plants in them. And what happens is when they come out of the kiln, they're this plain kind of terracotta color. But then I spray the whole batch with walnut ink and let it sit. The longer it sits, of course, the darker the finish gets. And then the fun part starts. You just take whatever kind of water or cleaner or whatever. I happen to be using a diluted citrusol here. And get a rag and then choose one of the faces. I'll pick this one and start wiping off just the highlights. And you can see that the textures and the personalities of the faces really start showing up. This one looks kind of pensive and really interesting. And when they're covered with ink, you can't see them quite as well. But look how this one changes when we wipe the walnut ink off and kind of burnish it with the cleaner. It gives it an antique look, plus it really makes the textures come out nicely. And you can take off as much or as little as you want. It's kind of like painting in reverse. This is a subtractive kind of art technique, but I think walnut ink on unfired clay is just one of, or unglazed clay, because all of these are fired, but on unglazed clay is just one of the neatest finishes you can do to bisqueware. So I'm going to finish these up and get them to the nursery. But it's a neat process, and I thought you'd like to take a look at it. Thanks.